Today we try to solve the remaining 2 point of problems, and then we move on to next algorithm, sliding into. So I think we had solved the sort colors, then move zero to this. So sort colors, and then move zero. So, yeah, we solved that already. So today we try to solve the traffic variable. It's a hard problem. Then there's one remaining on triangle. We try to solve both of them. Yeah. So, so this is the problem. So here, we just try to understand what the problem is and come up with solution. How can we approach that? So, so they had given n non-negative number. So there is only positive numbers representing an elevation map. Okay, where the width of each bar is one. Okay, so the x-axis in x-axis the unit will be 1 and 1. So each bar is 1 unit. So compute how much water we can tap after raining. Okay, so it's kind of similar to the previous problem which we already solved. I think the this one container with most water. Yeah. So in that we need to give a solution where the maximum water can be stored in a container. Here we need to find out the total amount of water that can be stored in each uh, block in between blocks. Right. Okay. So here first, let us say there is no bar in there, and then here there is a bar one, and here there is another bar. So here, let's say we need to find out the lowest one so that we can able to find the amount of water in there. So let's say so here is uh, 2 minus 1 is obviously 1. So here the water will be stored for one block. And then again, here uh, let's say here we have one pointer, here we have one pointer, minus these two. I think this one will be the pointer, this one will be the pointer. So this one have 3 and then this one have 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1, right? Here we have so much, and then here, okay. So I think we have, let us try to uh, visualize this problem. So we try to give it array here. Okay. So here will be an array. I just fill the numbers here. Zero, three, one, zero. This is the array they had given to us. So the output is 6, right? The above elevation map black section is represented by array here. So the 0 means there is no block right there. So in this case, 6 units of water. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, okay. So I think we try to separate the problem. So I think this one and this one we can able to solve easily. Maybe this one we can solve easily. But these two, I need to think of. We need to think. First, we try to solve this one. I think this will be the hardest one. So in array, here 0, 1, 0, 2, and 1. Yeah. From here, from here to uh, 2, 1, 0, 1, 3. Here. The answer will be 4. Right. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think we can say like this, right? So here we just need to check whether, let's say we have a pointer here, right? So 2 is our some starting point, this assume that. So if we iterate from the next pointer, like I is here, right? So is I greater than 2? Not. So just we have a variable like t, it's like t. Okay. So just minus these two, answer will be 1. So just make this one. So add to the t and then move this I the next. So now 2 is not greater than 0 and then 2 minus 0 is 2 only. So just add it to the t. Now the t will be 3, right? 3 and then we now we just try to move I, right? Sorry. Just move the I and then now just check whether 2 minus 2 is great. Sorry, I is greater than 2. No, now just minus these two and then add it to the t. Now the value will be what 3 plus 1, right? 2 minus 1 is 1 and then 3 plus 1 is 4, right? So 4 and then if next check move I, move I Now, yeah, so this will be greater than, so we just leave this. Okay, I think we can do like this. Okay, so uh, okay, so can we do the same like this here or not? So, it will work, but there is a problem. But how can we switch to the next one, right? So there's we just break here, and then should we need to move the pointer here or what? We just try to just like this way. So two here one, right? So if there is two, right? What we need to do? It's less than. Then we now need to if less than two. So we just minus it and then add one to here. So plus one, and then move the I. So it's equal. So the condition is if it's equal to or greater than some pointer we mark. So here it will be 5. Now the real challenge is we need to find the this one. So let's say if uh, let's say we point some pointer here. Let's say this will be a pointer, and we try to point this here. So if uh, 0 is greater than 1, no. So we just move the pointer here, and then and then yeah, that's it. And then next, the point we need to place I next to the pointer, right? So now here we need to check whether 1 is greater than 0 or not. No. So now what we need to do is we just need to add 2t. So this one will be 1. And then we need to move the pointer I pointer to the next one. So here, yes, the one is less than two is greater than one, right? So we just move the pointer here and then. So yeah, I think this will be the solution. So I think this will be pretty simple. I don't know why. Okay, so we just try to write the code. Here, what we need to do is first we need to place, let's say L will be the pointer 0, and then uh, okay, we just loop I for I in just uh, we just wait. We just let's say R, we take R. So instead of I, we just take R. So R should be L plus one, right? So now we just iterate R, right? So what can we do? The condition is while the value of R is greater than or equal to value of L means no, sorry. The value of L is greater than value of R. not equal to. So if this condition is true means then we shall proceed. Means let's say if this one right, uh, if the L value is 1, this will be our value, right? So if the value is L value is greater than means we just what we need to do is we just uh, T is equal to array of L plus sorry minus array of R. So just result I just mentioned like this one. Okay. So now what we need to do is we just iterate R, it's R only R plus or equal to 1, right? So this will increment, right? uh, Now in this case what we need to do, so this will not the code will not go into the while loop. So instead what we need to do is, so if this condition is not true then uh, can I use if loop here? So just we try. If array of uh, R is greater than or equal to array of L means we just point the pointer L is equal to uh, L is equal to R, right? Okay, yeah. So and then R is equal to L plus 1, right? So I think this code right here will comes here. Okay. So we just try to dry run this. Here we have, we just clear this one. Okay. So we have L here and then R is L plus 1, right? So if array of R greater than or equal to L, yes. So what we need to do is L will be in the R position and the R will be L plus 1 position, right? So now check the condition. This will while uh, array of L greater than, okay, now what we need to do is this will be result 1 minus 0 1 we just store here. So I think here result is equal to 0. Okay. So now we just move the R here, right? Now it stops and then see now this will not go to this if condition, right? So we have some problem here. Okay, so we need to try different. I think we need to introduce for loop for L for no. I think Or else we need to iterate while till R is true. Shall we do like that? Like while R, right? So while R is true, if array of R is greater than or equal to array of L means we just need to do the same. L is equal to R and then this one. Okay. Or else I think we just try to implement that for R in range of n. Yeah, so if it's here, then while array of L greater than array of R means the result is equal to array of L minus array of R. Then R plus is equal to uh, wait, I think we need to this solution. I we need to alter this so it will work perfectly. So this is the initial, right? So now what we need to do for R in range of n is so yeah. So if array if R is less than sorry greater than or equal to one, yeah. So we just move this here and then this one here, right? Now what we need is so while array of L is greater than okay this situation, so we just result is equal to one, right? Result is equal to sorry here I result is equal to result plus okay. So this will or else we can just like this result plus or equal to okay. Okay, now what we need is so we just need to eliminate this. Okay. Just try this one. So this will fail, right? So now what will happen is it will iterate R, but we don't want to iterate R. Yeah. If we don't want to iterate, Yes. Okay. Now, again, this will go on. So, we'll check R is greater than okay now. This will go on here. Then R is go L plus 1 right here. And then the while loop will happen. And then again, so again, this will check this, go inside the loop. And then, yeah, I think this will work. Uh, just erase this one. Uh, Let me solve this one. L is equal to 0 and then R is equal to L plus 1. Set result is equal to 0. While R is true means if array of R is greater than or equal to array of L means L is equal to R is equal to L plus 1. While array of L greater than array of R means we just result plus R is equal to array of L minus array of R plus R equal to 1. So just try to run this. Sorry, just hide. Uh, okay, again. Okay, I think so. This will happen like in here, I guess. So So here, okay, and then what we need, what the so it's greater, right? So now this will move on to this one, add, and then this one, add, and then this one, and then we just move here, and then this will go right here, right? So and then right here, and then right here. Solution is wrong. Okay. Comments? Okay, let us try check this thing. I thought this is this simple, but uh, zero, so let's say if we do the same to like we did before, okay, so L will be here and then R will be here, right? So if L, so you just check whether here we need to check whether L is greater, right? So we just the result will be 1. So 1 and then just move R. Then now we again check. So the will answer will be plus 4. Then we just move R, right? So now again, so we just need to plus 3 and then we just move R again. 4 minus, sorry, 4 minus 3, uh, one side. So here 4 minus 2, 2 right. So sorry, I made a mistake. So here it will be 4 minus 2, 2. And then it will jump up here. 4 minus 0, 4 only. And then it jump up here. 4 minus 3 is 1, right? Then 1. Then, yeah, again, we jump up here. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, we jump to the next one. And then now it will, the condition just will wait. So now L is equal to R. R is equal to L section. So this will go right here. Right? So, but there is no equation. So if we add these all 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is right, but I think this is okay. I think this is where the problem happens. I don't know how to solve this. It's very hard. I will do yeah. While r less than length of till out of image. So we just try to ask GPT. I think this will be just try what's wrong with our code. So here L is zero, right? Then R is also zero. The height minus one, length of height minus one. Okay, result is zero. So they had one right max, left max kind of thing. This is uh, mm, give some condition. Just try to run the code. The problem is then just the solution is wrong. We try to solve in another method. I guess so. So the one that GPT has given right. So this one. So I think we see this on next class. So this trapping and rectangular sum. We have to bending some second able to solve this one. So yeah, that's it for today.